Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. First, we're going to start off with the Bitcoin chart. We're on the daily chart here, guys. You can see what happened. We talked about this in yesterday's video. We talked about closing a daily coming out of this trend. We didn't get it. We got the wick, but then we wicked back down, and now we're currently getting a bounce. Well, let's see. We just got a new candle. This is the new candle that just happened 24 minutes ago. But you can see we bounced off my area of 56,500. So now let's see if we can break this trend, and maybe by tomorrow, let's see. I know the stock market wasn't looking good today. There was some news. I can't say it because actually, if I do say it, I got a warning from YouTube for already saying it and got a strike already for it because I guess you can't talk about any kind of doctor issues, I should say. So anyways, so we're getting the bounce here. So let's see if this 56,500 holds up. Let's see if we can break this trend. Let's see if we can get, I still want to see the daily, especially closing or even a 4-hour closing above this moving average, which is the 50-day. Here, I'll click on it, guys. 50-day moving average, okay? Because that's what's going to get this thing going. And right now, let's see. Do we see maybe some sideways? Right now, I'm just seeing sideways. That can change though. Let's look at the 4-hour. And see, guys, this is what I mean. This is why I look at the daily, and this is why we do the daily. Because look, we came out. But remember how I always say the second candle, we don't want to see it dropping back underneath this, and we did exactly that. So that's why I always talk about the second candle is very important. We want to see that second candle either bounce and go or not break under this trend. And that's exactly what we saw. Okay, this is what we talk about. All right, so yeah. So right now, right now I'm looking at maybe sideways or maybe even a little bit of down pressure. I'm not seeing anything major right now. This could change though, like I said, but right now, currently at Bitcoin, doesn't look like anything major is going to happen right now anyways. Ethereum, guys, beautiful move. This is on the 4-hour, but we can look at the daily real quick. The daily, we got our break trend, we got our bounce, we got our go. But if we look at the 4-hour, you can really see it. Sorry, my cat wants to play. She's like a dog. She will bring her toys over and then drop them next to you and then cry. Like, a dog barks, they want to play, she cries. Okay. Now, right now. Anyways, she's throwing me off here, guys. But we got the bounce. You can see where we got the bounce, okay? We got the bounce off the trend line, and then that was confirmation to the go. We got the go. We got rejected here, which, I mean, I could see it. It was kind of a weak rejection. It shouldn't have probably happened, but like I said, some news came out around that time. It hurt the markets, all markets across the board, even crypto. They timed it perfect. What was it, 9:30 they came out with it? Come on, man, guys. They timed this news perfectly. This is what they do. It is what it is. But anyways, we got rejection here around 47.70 area. And we got our bounce in our bounce area. Look at this. Perfect. Beautiful. Let's see if we could create a W here. That would be nice. But let's see if this area holds up coming in around 45.20 area, 45.25. That's what I'm looking at right now. And we're also getting a bounce off my second line currently on this new daily, which is that came at 45.60. Okay. So far the charts are holding up. Let's see if they hold up. If not, then, maybe 44 40s on deck or even 43.80. So, but and to the upside, guys, I want to see his break. I want to see a 4-hour candle closing. Let's go above the high of, let's say 47.85, and then we can get up to that all-time high coming in around 46.67. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum, for Matic. Guys, look at man. Guys, I love Matic. This is the greatest. I love this. I love Matic. I think Matic's going to be big. We talked about it coming out of this trend, breaking this, getting the bounce here, boom, getting this. This is actually looking very, very strong. This is looking very, very good. Let's see. We got our bounce out for 197. We talked about that. If we can get past 197, then that would act as support. We got that bounce. Everything is looking prime. This is looking for continuation, guys. Okay. I'm looking for more upside here. Could we see anything? Let's look at the weekly. Any kind of, I mean, let's check out some volume here. Let's see what we got. I mean, it's clean sailing, and there's good support for especially coming in around 187, 188 area. Let's see if we can get up to this 220 mark. Okay, anywhere from 220 to 219. This is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at the weekly, guys, where it bounced right off my trend line. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Oh, I just moved something. Okay, I think that was there. I did that on accident. But look at that. Look at my purple box and everything. Look where we have. This candle was 1 week. Okay, which it started on Sunday at 7. So this is when this candle started. And look at this. Awesome move, guys. We caught this bottom. Look at my buy zone. Look at this. If you would have bought in the buy zone, guys, as soon as they hit the buy zone, you could. That's when, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. You could just buy in that zone. Don't care. Just buy once it hits it. You would have made 45%, guys. 45%. Now, I actually traded this a couple times. I did better than 45%. But if you would have just bought it and held it, easy peasy, 45%. And I told you I like this Matic from guys. Matic to me is going to be it's going to be a good crypto in the future, okay? Right now, just hold 197. Let's go higher. Let's hit a target of 219 and 220. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Cardano, guys, we almost broke out of this daily. We wicked it. We fell back down again. Now I want to see us break it and hold and get a daily candle closing out of this. I want to see this 150 hold and then the let's say 140, 141 area hold. And to the upside, I want to see 163 or 164 4-hour candle closing. And then I want to get it back 167 and 171. So that's what I'm looking at. First, we got to break this trend. That's something that has to be done here. Now, perfect. This is looking good. I don't know what the indicators. Let's look at the indicators here. These are looking okay. Some of them are a little bit high. The daily, now it's looking good. Guys, Solana is looking good right now. We did get rejected in my, okay, so anytime you guys see support will always turn into resistance, okay? So you can see where the support was supported here and then turned into resistance, and now we're getting blocked here heavily, right? So we came up and we talked about this in yesterday's video. Look at this, guys. Look at this move. We broke out of this trend. Okay, we came back down in my buy zone here. If you would have bought it in my buy zone, okay, guys? Very important. Buy in the buy zone here or here. Okay. I think I bought some here. This is where I was saying I was buying it. So I didn't even get the dead bottom. I just, as soon as it hit my zone, I start buying it. But let's just say you missed it and said, oh, Moondog came back down lower. Look, guys, 28% move to the upside from the buy zone. We got the 50-day. We talked about this acting as support. We got the bounce off of it, came up, hit my purple box, 232. We hit that area. Now I'm looking for a bounce, and I'm looking for more continuation. I'm actually looking for all-time highs on this, or at least to get up to here, 246. There could be some resistance there, coming in around 246. But I look at this going higher. Maybe worst case scenario, retest down to 218 and get a bounce. So something like this, where we come down here and bounce. That could be a possibility, bouncing off this trend. Which wouldn't be a bad thing, okay? Well, 216 maybe, okay? It wouldn't be a bad thing. All right. Or it could just continue going from here. Either way, I think this is going to keep going, looking good. Solana's looking really good, guys. Shib, on the other hand, look, guys, we got rejected in my zone. We bought my zone, got rejected. We talked about maybe buying some here, but then we came back up here and we got rejected at 47, and now it looks like we're coming down. So what are we looking at? Well, I could draw up a purple box here, and I might as well because I'm looking at this area right here. Okay, so I'm looking at 4180 to 4130. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the daily. Let's see if there's anything that we're missing here. Okay, maybe no. I'm looking at that area. Let's look at the weekly real quick. See if I'm missing something there. Weekly. No, this is the area we're going for, guys. 4130, 4180, or even 4100. Let's just say 42 to 41 even. Okay? 4,000 could be a possibility. But if we're going down. Okay? It was a nasty rejection. I don't like that. Okay? But with that being said, let's look at some of the moving averages real quick. Let's see daily. You know what? The moving averages, there is a chance. There is a chance that this could, maybe a little down, a little bit, like I said, a little bit more down, and then that could be a great opportunity to get back into this thing. All right, so keep an eye on SHIB. And to the upside, I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 45.22 area. All right. Avalanche, guys, we talked about this being a bearish pattern. So the potential of it breaking down. And I said it might not get to the target, which would be down here in this area, our purple box area. But I was leaning more towards this area, coming around 113, 110. And so far it's coming down, just like we talked about. This could be something that pulls back a little bit. Let's look at some of the, you know what I just noticed? Hold on, guys. Yeah, so that's right. So we could see a pullback that area in the daily. Yeah, we could definitely see a little pullback on Avalanche, so keep that in mind. We did talk about that in yesterday's video, maybe a pullback, another opportunity to buy again. So let's see if that happens. You know what? Is there a trend? Let's go to the daily. See what we got here. No, there's not. We can draw one up. So guys, this works a lot too for me. So you can see a touch point here, a touch point here. I don't know. I don't know about that. We're going to draw this trend. Yeah, it's a legit trend. It's got 3 touch points on the daily. We're getting our rejection. So let's just move my box over here. Let's see if this box holds up. If not, technically the target would be down here. So maybe it does. I'm looking at this area, 113, 110, but technically we should come back down here. So there could be a possibility where you could get a great buying opportunity back here at 103, 101 area, come back up, retest, and then go. Okay. So that's what I'd be looking at for this, for Avalanche. Now, what I want to see is a 4-hour candle closing, like I said, above 126, 127 area. Okay. For upside. And I want to see 113, 110, and 103 and 190 and 199 and 99 hold up. Okay. But I think that's it for tonight's video. Bitcoin's not looking that great. Matic's on fire, guys. Look at, oh my God. Matic is just ripping. I am so glad. I love Matic. We always talk about Solana. We talk about all these good ones, and we're just killing it. So I think that's it, though. Much love. Listen, I'll put my link to Webull in the description. You guys deposit $100. You get some free shares if you use my link. It's free money for you guys. You can take your $100 out after a couple days once you get your stocks and everything clears. And just have some free money and some free SHIB even. You could share it with your friends. And I don't know if they're still running the Apple promotion, but that's $160 for free right there too as well. So I think that's it, guys. I'm going to put my link to Twitter as well. You can follow me on Twitter, but much love. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. I want to go live for you guys. I want to start charting some things for you guys. I want to get to 1,000 subs. So when I start a chat room, we actually have people in there and it's lively and it's entertaining. I didn't want to start a chat until I got to at least 1,000 because to me, I don't want to start a chat and there's 5 people in it, even though I love all you guys. But I want to really, and any money I make in the future on this channel, I will be donating to kids in need. So much love to all you guys and peace out.